Okay, so I have all my ingredients here that I'm going to be using. This is my leftover sweet and sour chicken with the sauce. And you need your rice. I do recommend using day-old rice. It does make a difference so it doesn't get as mushy because you're also frying it. So this is from last night leftover white rice. And some soy sauce, some teriyaki. If you choose, you don't need it. I like the flavor. An egg or two, some garlic, and an oil of your choice. I'm using sesame seed oil and also some butter. Okay, so let's get started now. Turn up your heat to about, I'm gonna say medium high. I'm gonna do about 7. And I've got my about tablespoon of butter in there. And now let's put a couple drops of sesame seed oil. And I still do not have a tripod. I need to get one still. Makes filming so much easier. Just do a little bit. Just like that, and let that heat up and get nice and hot. I forgot to mention you also need whatever vegetables you want to put in there. I'm using this mixed vegetables, and I'm gonna pop it in the microwave now. Actually, let's see for how long. About 5 minutes. All right, now's about a good time to add in our rice. I just got this out of the fridge. It is cold. Ooh. I like using a spatula when I make this. Okay, I'm gonna need to get a knife and chop this up. Hold on, be right back. Okay, so I just cut up a little bit of garlic here, and I made a little well. See that? Make a little center like that. And you can put a little extra oil in the center if you want. I'm gonna add just a tiny bit of sesame oil. Boop. Okay, and then we're gonna put the garlic and the egg. There we go. Did I get shown there? Doesn't look like it. Yay. Mix that in. Black pepper. When your vegetables are done cooking, or if you're using canned, you can use canned too. Pour however many vegetables you want in there. I'm not going to do the whole bag. And actually, that was about the whole bag. All right, mix that in. And your heat should be on about medium high. I'm still working on these clumps. I don't want any clumps. It's okay if there's a couple though. All right, now add in soy sauce and teriyaki sauce, however much you would like. Don't overdo it though, because you can always add more later. And soy sauce is very salty, as you know, so I did not add any salt to this. Like that. That was soy, now teriyaki. A little bit. Mix it all in. Can I fit them both in there? Yeah, we'll make it work. Sweet and sour sauce. Just do it for like, I don't know, 15, 20 seconds. So you know the sweet and sour chicken? I put it in the air fryer on 400 degrees for about, what was it? It was like 5 minutes, maybe not even 5 minutes. And it is perfectly crispy, like even better maybe than it was yesterday. So let's try it in this sauce. It's so good. So good. Okay, let's try our fried rice. I didn't even try it yet. Ooh, it smells so good. I know it's gonna be good. Oh. I'm not gonna lie, that tastes a lot like hibachi fried rice. It's late at night and I want a sweet snack. Let's make some cinnamon roll donuts. So all you'll need is some cinnamon rolls. Any will work. I've got this little 5 count here, and I've got vegetable oil in the pan, and I'm just gonna turn on the heat now. I'm gonna turn it up to about medium low for now because we need to cut these up. So while the oil heats up, let's cut these up. Here's what they look like out of the package, just 5 little cinnamon rolls and the icing package, which I'm going to place on top of the stove while it's hot, so it melts a little bit while these are cooking. And I'm going to cut these into 4ths like this. Okay, so I cut them all into 4 different pieces and I started rolling them into balls. Just roll them with your hands, make sure you have clean hands, and roll them into a ball. Okay, let's test and see if the oil's ready. It sure sounds like it. Okay, it's bubbling. Yep, I'm gonna start putting them in. As they cook, they start to turn over by themselves. So you can just let them do that, and you can turn them over with a fork or a spatula or whatever to make sure that they're not burning. But I turned it up just a tad bit so we can get a nice golden brown color. Okay, I've been flipping them over a little bit to make sure that they're not burning. And I just took them all out. They were all done right about the same time. And they are super hot, so I need to let them cool down for a minute. These are so good.